Alright guys, welcome guys. So in this video we are showing the premium strategy. This is the only thing what we are sell. Reason why a lot of people reach out to me and say, yo, I'm to account management. I don't have no time for trade. I don't understand about trading. I just want something I can literally just set for hours and it make the money for me. Alright, so all that wait is over, guys. Now for this, instead I pay much money for 1 month. One thing I need to do, pay 10,000 and get it for 2 months. Not 1 month, 2 months. Alright, and trust me, I make that in no time. Cause 10,000 is like 65 USD. You see me? So with this, I get 2 things. Alright, so first we'll start with this. Stop it. So the first search, what this basically do is when you turn it on, search for the digits them will have 0 alone. So only these them will have 0 you execute alone. Look, 0. Execute this, looking at the trade history. You see me? I just search you want them have 0. You see me? Simple as that. And just execute the trade them. You see it? Look. So easy. Look, show you. So when it lose, simple. When I say most of them, the 0 of them I get less, you just rescan. Press rescan and do the same thing until you reach a target. Very, very easy. I tell you. We're gonna put this back in a profit show now. You see me? So easy, guys. Even the ones that we don't know how to trade, all I need to do I just look for the one them have 0. Now I say, remember me been did I telling you, a digit can have 0 touches. Cause difference this can have 0 touches, and by the time you execute it, it forward, so you lose it. That's just natural. Alright? Remember guys, there's no bot out there that guarantee 100% win rate. They made us sell their dreams. Alright? So be real with yourself. Don't make nobody fool you. And I already have all of the strategies them were free, and I already make money from them. But this is just for people where when I look on it, you're busy on them thing there. See? Yeah, dog. I'll show you the next thing too. You can literally take 5 trades one time. 5 times, you see 5 times, look there. 5 trades one time. Just like in a trade X, you have you see that one thing put it back in a profit. See it? It's very easy. Just like in a trade X, you have an instant 5. Same thing. And the 2 times take just 2 alone. You see me? Everything taking at the same time. So if one lose, all other 4 them lose. You see me? So these guys crazy. I'm gonna milk this so much. I don't understand, bro. Alright? No. And I see that how that work, all I need to do, rescan when I say most of them get more, like you see less 0. So you see less 0 right now, you just press rescan. Alright? Now what the 5-minute auto do, the 5-minute auto take trades every 5 minutes. You see it? And when you're ready to stop, you just press stop. Alright? Now, I show now the next thing now. I clear this now, and I show now the next thing. So the next thing is this. So we're gonna set the settings. So first we're gonna say, alright, if you have $100 in your account, you have $50, and these guys, you don't have to worry about capital. Yes, you don't need a good starting, like $50 solid. You see me? You don't need no 200, 300, like we don't need how much capital for your ramping shop. So you stake a 50, you have $50 in your account, you set a stake of $5, so you know, so you need 10 trades for lose before you wipe out your account, which is not possible. You see it? Alright, so for video sake, we just use 1 minute, but guys, make sure you use long intervals. This is cool long after each trade. So you can use 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, but don't use no 1 minute. Else you can lose. And what we are trying to avoid loses. No, say yo, you have $100 in your account or $50. You set it, say yo, I'm only first to $50. I'm gonna make $50. You can put a $50 as a target. Or any amount you want. But for video sake, we just target $5. Just for example. Alright? Now you turn on trade on weekends. You turn on the reinvestment. And what we do? We set the reinvestment for 50%. So half of the profit I'll go in the next trade if you wish. Or you can adjust it if you want to put any amount. So if you want to use 100%, you can put that. But 50% with a save yourself if you lose, and everything you lose. Alright? Now, when you do this now, guys, and you click back settings for create space. So you remove the settings, then you click calculator now, guys. This is very important. You have over 1, over 0, under 9, and trade X. Alright? Now, me love use my over 0 or my under 9. I know I like be safe. Then me turn off over 1. Alright? Then when I select this now, guys, you see it I show you. Your stake is $5. You need 11 trades to reach $5 profit. Interval 1 minute duration. You get this in a less than 1 hour. And it show you the profit per win. You see me? So very, very easy, guys. Then create space, click back the calculator, then I press start. So you see it analyze now, and then it now gonna take a trade until the countdown. So 1 minute countdown. You see it. And I just make it run. I'm gonna stop this. So you see that countdown, the guys, and all I need to do is just put on the phone, bro. Simple as that. You can literally just put on your phone, go and go cook, go and work, anything you wish. You see it. So nobody can say, oh, them nah make no money, cause you see, this literally so easy. You don't have to know nothing about trading, you just need to know how to operate it, which me literally show you right now. Alright. You know, say we watch we countdown for when it all finish. Once you see it reach 0, it will execute a trade. Alright, so it will execute a trade any moment. Alright, so that first win. And more time if you see it get out of 1 loss and you can't bother wait for it recover. Cause I say this thing, guys, it time consuming, meaning it make for literally people don't like sit down and trade. They want to set them target, put on them phone, and go and about them business. You see it, so it time consuming. But normally if you see it and you have time, you say, oh, you get a 1 loss and you want to put it back in the profit, you just use this one, I just show you first. And put yourself back in the profit. You see me? So $10,000 for 2 months, not 1 month. Here our next trade. See that? Just try a video, see it, my cut it short, guys. Guys, I can't sit down here all the time. I watch this. You see it. And once you reach your target, I don't know it, I will stop automatically. Or if you know, I say, yo, your phone never dead and you're dip on the road and you're a trader or something and you want to stop it, you can just click stop. You see it. And resume when you're ready. And so after the next trader. So see you next trader now. So that very, very easy. And I'm gonna tell you, 1 minute very aggressive, you know, guys. 1 minute very aggressive, but you see how still a win. You see me? So basically, imagine when you use a longer cooldown, like a 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and go on about your business if you hold day and come back. You're good. You get what I say? You're good for your whole day, literally. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. You see me? And you stop it if you feel like you're going to do it something. Boom, just like that and start it back. You see me? But for video sake, we'll stop it early. But yeah, guys, literally like this. And I know we not care about them things. This literally mad. I literally spend the whole day. I'm done with updating now. Spend the whole day and make this right now. Now, you depend this and say you want to go on the page where the strategy them there. Again, you just analyze up right up, guys. Right up here, sir. And you send it back right over here, sir. Alright, now, for the new people them and the senior people them, you don't know the YouTube link right here, so if you want to learn how to use TradeX,
Alright guys,
show you. You see me? Send it right over to the YouTube for watch over use each strategy. The next one them when I have it, so make the videos them feed so you can have them. But simple like this, guys, and I don't know this work already. Alright? Very, very easy. Go and go make that bread, guys. And for the people them will like live on the bot, big up on yourself, but in the idea, if you don't want overtrade, don't have games. You can literally play games. You don't know, so have the ranks. See people pass me out in the games, that's so I can play games when I want cool down, when I don't want overtrade, you see me? Or yeah, literally. Maybe we can play against each other. So if somebody there online and we can race each other and them thing there. Is it? So I think mad, bro. We have the maddest thing right now in our market. I ask guys. You see me? So once you click it, guys, and I will see the number for link reach out to me if you don't want to buy it. You see me? So for everybody, when you don't want to buy it, you know, this is just so you people them way see the interest in it and them know say yo it would have benefit them. You see me? But if you rest of them way already I make money from whatever them I use, big up to you, you see it. So